This is an unboxing of the DEWALT ToughSystem 2.0. I have to shoot it in this direction to give you a perspective of the size of the box. Look at the ruler. This is really packed well. Let's see what's inside. I had to turn it sideways and put a rock on top of the box because the box is so strong. In order to get it out, you need to turn it sideways. It's a thing of beauty. One side. Back. The other side. There's a new lock feature that I like. That's one of the reasons why I bought it. Of course, this removes. You can write on there what you want. Good locks. Let's see what the inside looks like. For the project I'm using it for, I needed the largest one out there, and this is it. By the way, these wheels are cool, and they're real rubber. There's a button for the handle. This is the handle down. Real simple press. This is the handle up. Here are the red tabs you could see for removing the handle. That's clever. Good way. There's a footrest so you can kick start the thing. Very good design. That's why I bought this. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself because it's the best I saw. How cool is this? Next is the medium box. You're seeing it as I am. For this, you just put the handle up and lift it out. Try and do it with one hand. See, it lifts right out, right out of the box. I'm gonna put it back in. A thing of beauty. I'll rotate it around. You see the sides. Spring-loaded lock. Really makes it easy. The back. Strong reinforced sides, sturdy handle. the tops have a handle, and then for accessories. Strong latches. Of course, you lock on every one of them, which is the reason why I bought it too. Get another sheet, another tray, which fits on both sides. This is the reason why I bought this unit. Look at the size of this tray, this box. Very little wasted space. Huge. There's the lid. Of course, this is for accessories also. We don't know what this is for yet. Some in the future. This is the medium box. Last but not least is the small box and the yellow tray. I opened this already at the store to make sure the yellow tray was here. Once I saw the yellow tray, I knew it was good. This is the new addition, the newest thing, the yellow tray. Here's the box. Oh, no handle on the top of this box. I'm surprised. I thought there was a handle here. No handle on the top of this box. The handles are on the sides. The tray does not fit on top as I suspected, and I hoped it goes inside anyway. Here's the sides of the tray and small box. Handles are on the sides. Man, is this sturdy. Listen to this latch if you can hear it. Look at that clip. Power. That's a strong latch. Of course, the lock again. Possibility to lock all three boxes. Reinforced lock hole. You can put a lock to it. And on the inside, you get two trays. These are nice utility trays. And of course another sheet, same kind. Waterproof seal all around it. Accessory. Now let's see how the yellow box fits in here. Fits right in there flush. Yeah, it'll close. I've seen it close in another video. But what I want to try next is how it fits in the medium box. Here's what I wanted to know. This is the tray sitting on top of the large box with the tabs out. You can see it fits. The door will close. It's a genius idea. This also fits in the medium box. This is how the tray fits in the small box. This basically fits down in the thing. But in the medium and large box, you can either set it on top or set it down the side, which is really great. These are genius tabs right here you put out, and the tray will sit on top of the box, the inside, top of the inside of the box, which is really great. You can either have it go down inside or sit on top, which is excellent. Really good idea. They thought of everything. Here is the complete system. I got it at Home Depot for $181. Best deal I could find. It was $259, $289 elsewhere. Complete system. Took about a week to get it. What a system. ToughSystem 2.0. And boy, when you handle it, you realize it's tough. Thank you for watching. I'll put a link to the video that I watched to make the decision. Here's a link down below for Home Depot to buy it. Thank you.